Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Dolewa Mini Print Pod, a portable sticker printer that's been making waves. This little gadget promises to bring instant printing to your fingertips. And after spending some time with it, here's the lowdown. First impressions matter, and the Dolewa printer doesn't disappoint. It's incredibly compact, about the size of a small cube, and feather-light, making it easy to toss in a bag or even a large pocket. The clean white design is aesthetically pleasing, and it feels reasonably sturdy for its size. Getting started is straightforward, but it's crucial to fully charge the printer before the first use. The instructions emphasize this, and it's worth heeding. The green light indicator will stop flashing once it's fully charged. Also, maintaining a battery level above 80% is recommended for optimal print quality. A quick double click of the power button reveals the battery level within the app, which is a handy feature. The Dolewa printer connects to your smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth, and the Funny Print app is the key to unlocking its potential. The app is free and packed with features. It offers a wide array of templates, allowing you to create custom stickers with text, images, emojis, and even QR codes. The editing tools are intuitive, making it easy to personalize your prints. The ability to create cartoon doodles is a fun addition, especially for those with kids. The printing process itself is remarkably simple. After connecting the printer via Bluetooth through the app, selecting your design and hitting print is all it takes. The thermal printing technology means no ink is required, which is a huge plus for convenience and cost savings. The print quality is decent for black and white images and text. The instructions do note that selecting deep printing in the app will yield clear results. It's also important to ensure the paper is loaded correctly to avoid blank prints. The Dolewa printer comes with a generous supply of paper rolls. You get 13 rolls in total, including white and colored sticker paper, label paper in various sizes, and even a roll of regular receipt paper. The sticker paper has adhesive backing, eliminating the need for glue or tape. This mini printer isn't designed for high-resolution photo printing. It excels at creating quick labels, study notes, journal entries, memos, and fun DIY projects. It's a great tool for students, crafters, and anyone who wants to add a personal touch to their belongings. The built-in 1000 mAh battery offers decent longevity, making it suitable for travel and on-the-go use. The package includes the printer, 13 rolls of printing paper, 12 colored pens, a USB charging cable, and a user manual. It's a complete kit that's ready to use right out of the box. The Dolewa Mini Print Pod is a fun and practical gadget that offers instant printing convenience. While it's not a replacement for a full-fledged photo printer, it's perfect for creating labels, notes, and personalized stickers on the fly. It would make a thoughtful gift for anyone who enjoys DIY projects or needs a portable printing solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.